mangroves are very, very important to Karachi because they act as the first line of defense against coastal storms. Okay? So, because the roots of the mangroves are so strong that they block all the waves that come towards the coast. Okay? So, they are our first line of defense. They are very, very special to us. And as we go through this tour, you'll learn a lot more about the mangroves. But I just want to say a little bit about the park. The Mangrove Biodiversity Park was built with recyclable materials. So the wood that you're seeing is used from a disassembled ship. Okay, the bamboo, we try to use vernacular materials. So there's bamboo. Okay. The other really interesting thing about this park is that the tide levels change twice a day. So twice a day it is high tide and twice a day it is low tide. So because this bridge is floating, it goes up about 8 feet in high tide and down 8 feet in low tide. Okay, so right now you're seeing it in high tide. And in another maybe 6 to 7 hours when it's low tide, then you can see the roots of the mangroves. You can see the crabs come out. You can see birds that come to feed during low tide. So you have wading birds that come out. In December, you have migratory birds that come towards the mangroves. So the mangroves are essential to biodiversity. Okay? Other than that, because you guys are here from tour agencies as well, I would like to say that we really want to highlight this as a conservational space, as a wellness space. It is only about 30 minutes from the city, so and the tour is about 1 hour. So, you know, it can be an easy stopover for 1 hour. You can come, relax, and then go back. So the space is designed as a wellness space, as a conservational space. We cover an area of about 50 hectares of mangroves, which means that if there are any cuttings within this 50 hectares, we stop it right away. We let the Sindh Forest Department know, and then, you know, they handle it. Okay? Other than that, if they're poachers for birds, then we also make sure that those people are not around within these 50 hectares. And we aim to further increase our capacity when we get the funding. Okay? So right now the space is self-sustained. So whatever tickets that you pay for the park, back into the park, and we hire local members as well for the park. So I'm gonna introduce you to Rafiq.
पहले अपना इंट्रोडक्शन भी दे दे.
मेरा introduction, my name is Zara. I am the park curator.
Full name?
Zara Hirji. I'm the park curator for the Mangrove Biodiversity.
Okay. अब आप इंट्रोड्यूस करा दे.
रफीक भाई प्लीज.
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद रफीक है और मैं फिशरमैन कम्युनिटी से ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ. मैंग्रोव्स में ये समझे कि हम जो है वो बचपन से लेकर
ये आई थिंक आप
ओके नहीं मेरा नाम मोहम्मद रफीक है और मैं एक फिशरमैन कम्युनिटी से जो है वो ताल्लुक़ रखता हूँ. हमारा बचपन जो है वो मैंग्रोव्स में गुजरता है. मैंग्रोव और मछलियों के साथ जो है खेलते हैं हम लोग. तो इसके बारे में जितनी भी अगर आप लोगों को सवालात हो, मालूमात लेनी हो तो आप हमसे ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम वही मालूमात आपको बताते हैं जो हमारी प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ गुजरती है, वही हम बताते हैं. तो ये छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन है. और हम यहाँ पे हम जो है वो 2 ग्रुप में तकसीम करेंगे. तकरीबन 2 ग्रुप में करेंगे.
I think आप लोग 40 लोग हैं, तो 20 of 2 groups. One group will go with रफीक भाई and one group will come with me. ठीक है? जो मीडिया वाले हैं वो रफीक भाई को प्लीज फॉलो करें, मुझे कैमरास की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? तो maybe you guys can, if you can divide yourselves into. So the mangroves you're seeing here, इनको कहते हैं ग्रे मैंग्रोव्स और एविसिनिया मरीना. ठीक है? और सबसे ज्यादा जो होते हैं ना, ये एविसिनिया मरीना की स्पीशीज होते हैं हमारे पास, because they are the most tolerant to pollution. ठीक है? But when you're trying to increase biodiversity, it is important to plant different species. ठीक है? Because different tree species attract different birds, attract different insects, attract different marine life. तो इसलिए we're trying to add in different species. तो जब हम when we're doing plantations, we do a mix of Avicennia marina and Rhizophora, जो red mangrove है. ठीक है? Now red mangrove you can tell हमने इधर plant किया है over here. So either you can see the roots are different. स्पीशीज है ये है राइजोफोर्स और इनकी जो रूट्स है वो हम इनको प्रॉप्ड रूट्स कहते हैं ठीक है बिकॉज द रूट्स आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द वाटर जो रूट्स एविसिनिया मरीना के हैं वो है न्यूमैटोफोर्स और इनके जो रूट्स जो नीचे जाते हैं जमीन में और फिर ऊपर आते हैं सो इफ यू कैन सी देयर लिटिल स्टॉक्स दैट आर कमिंग अप ठीक है सो दीज आर द रूट्स एंड दैट्स हाउ इट अडेप्ट्स टू कोस्टल एनवायरनमेंट्स ठीक है because it's important for the mangroves to breathe in this coastal environment in the salty water so the pneumatophores help it to absorb gases and leave salt out okay you can also see little white things over there because this is not filled with water yet so ye crabs nazar aa rahe hain so the crabs that you find over here are fiddler crabs okay and they have one big claw and one small claw ये तो बहुत बेबी वाले हैं but if you come during low tide so then you can see bigger ones too so red mangroves have a different roots and gray mangroves have a different ठीक है अभी हम शुरू करते हैं
Okay.
so there's this process called vivipary जहाँ tree के ऊपर वो they begin to have roots shoots और फिर पानी में गिरते हैं and they can float in the water for up to 1 year before they plant themselves in the soil
Okay. अच्छा हम अगर इसको डालेंगे अभी तो नहीं उगेगा इसको
नहीं।
पानी में
क्योंकि ये रेडी नहीं है
हाँ, तो साल्टी वाटर में रखना होगा इसको बाद ही कुछ काम होगा इसका।
ये खुद ही गिर जाएगा
हाँ, गिरेगा, पूरा बता रहे हैं तो बड़ा डिमांडिंग है भाई
If
इसके
you
नखरे
come in
देखो हाँ।
another month and a half going from the creek to the sea which means ये अभी low tide की तरफ जा रहा है so in another 2 hours 1.5-2 hours you will start to see कि इधर एक पूरा land form तो कितना deep है ये? Even